Hi. Which prompt you should use frequently? This coding prompt. Which prompt you like? Please comment. Thank you. Your VGR Learn. Thank you once again. Hi, welcome to back VGR Learn. Today topic is ChatGPT topics, coding and learning. Now I will show you step by step and with practical the right Python code. You observe this and click and paste. Then this is the sure kind Python codes is coming. Hello world is print hello world, and this is the Python code, and simple calculation code is the float input, and is this way is given. If you want to run this, click here run. This is run command is conclusion is the install environment. It is given error also. Okay, then go back. This is the another command is this coding. Write a JavaScript code, then type this and copy, paste, and observe what happened. This all over is the JavaScript also is there. You observe this primary number checker and random password generator, digital clock. This way is coming. And after that, another command is the write HTML CSS code sheets. Then copy, paste, and give this the HTML index, and this HTML code sheets are available. CSS style and code sheets is given the prompts. Okay, another command is the prompt is the write a React code. Then copy, paste, then click OK. The simple React app display land VGR Learn. This is the coming. After that is the another code is the prompt is the write a PHP code. Then this PHP code is the then PHP code is the simple PHP example display page on the content form. You observe this code is coming and copy where PHP is required. The another code is the write a Java code and click here. In a single line, this much as output is coming is the very easy fashion of milliseconds. This is the Java code. Write a Java code. His output is coming. Raju, age 21, computer science. This is the example. This code is output is this one. This. After that, another code is prompt is the write CC plus code, and this coming after output is coming this way. The another code is the write SQL queries, and then upload. The creating SQL queries, create database and SQL database and create a tables, and insert data and the view all records and filter records of records, short result, average marks, and group by courses, creating index. This much is coming. After that is the explain this code. The another prompt this way. The explanation is going to SQL name, course, student, marks, and names is the selection this way is given this code. After that, another prompt, 10th prompt is the debugging this code. This debugging this code. This debugging code is coming is the run. This is coming another code is side by This is environmental. This is the go back. The another prompt is the fix this error. Copy and paste and upload. This is the code is causing this, also is given this code, and after that is another code is the optimize this code, and copy and open ChatGPT and click here. Same processing repeated again and again. The prompt to single letters, the given this much output is coming. Improving performance and efficiency, simplify cleaning up the code, make it more reliable and maintainable. Suggested bad practice fix and potential issues, explain, optimize, and while help.